Buying a used car is always like a gamble. You never know if you're getting a diamond in the rough or a bottomless money pit. But what few people know is that there are car models under $8,000 that mechanics quietly recommend buying. No flash, no hype, just reliable, fuel-efficient machines that almost never let their owners down. In this video, we'll explore the 5 used car models most trusted by technicians, choices that can keep you driving for another decade without worrying about breakdowns or high costs. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. One, Toyota Avalon, 2000 to 2005. If you're looking for a used car under $8,000 but want that Lexus luxury at a Toyota price feeling, the Avalon is your answer. This full-size sedan is often overlooked, but to mechanics, it's a hidden gem in the world of used cars. The Avalon from 2000 to 2005 uses a 3.0L V6 engine, which many in the industry jokingly call the engine that refuses to die. Hundreds of thousands of these cars are still cruising the roads, surpassing 250,000 miles with just basic maintenance, oil changes, air filters, and spark plugs, and that's it. No turbos, no complicated tech, just pure, perfected mechanical power. The Avalon's 4-speed automatic transmission may sound outdated, but its simplicity is the key to its durability. No complex CVT, no jerky shifts. Everything is smooth, solid, and cheap to fix. According to statistics, the average maintenance cost is just $463 per year, shockingly low for a large sedan once considered a light luxury vehicle. Step into the cabin, and you'll see why many call the Avalon a Lexus in Toyota clothing. The cloth or leather seats are comfortable, the sound insulation is excellent, and the smooth suspension makes you forget you're driving a car that's 2 decades old. Rear passengers can stretch out like they're in business class. And while the design is a bit classic, the interior sturdiness makes many modern cars jealous. Of course, no car is perfect. The Avalon sometimes suffers from cracked dashboards due to heat, or the suspension may need replacement after years of use. But the repair costs are very reasonable, and parts are available at nearly every garage. Compared to European sedans from the same era, these costs are a fraction. If you want a smooth, classy, and boringly reliable car, the Avalon is the trustworthy to the point of dull choice. It doesn't try to impress with speed, but with never forcing its owner to call for a tow. In the used car world, that's the mark of a quiet legend. 2. Honda Fit, 2007 to 2013. Don't let the Honda Fit's small size fool you. Behind its compact frame is an urban warrior that mechanics nod in approval of. Durable, fuel-efficient, and incredibly practical. With a budget of around $5,000, few cars are as fun to drive, reliable, and versatile as this one. The 2007 to 2013 Fit uses a 1.5L 4-cylinder engine, small but stubborn in the best way. This engine is not only known for its fuel efficiency, but also for running over 200,000 miles without needing a major overhaul. Unlike many cars of its era that use timing belts, the Fit uses a timing chain, a small detail that saves you thousands over the car's life. It's the simplicity of its mechanical design that makes the Fit nearly indestructible. According to RepairPal, the Fit scores 4.5 out of 5 for reliability, with an average maintenance cost of just $390 per year, so low that many owners joke, "Just change the oil and fill the tank, and you're done." Everything is designed logically and is easy to repair with cheap and widely available parts. But what truly sets the Honda Fit apart is its incredible versatility. Thanks to the smart Magic Seat system, the rear seats can fold flat or flip up, letting you haul anything from suitcases and bikes to a desk. With a total cargo space of 57.3 cubic feet, it rivals mid-size SUVs. It's no exaggeration to say the Fit is a hatchback that's small on the outside, huge on the inside at this price point. The Fit is also the perfect companion for city dwellers. It's easy to park, easy to maneuver, gets 33 mpg combined, and offers a light, nimble driving feel like a toy car. Some early models had minor issues with ignition coils or power steering pumps, but repairs cost about the price of a few dinners. Nothing to worry about. If the Avalon is for those who love comfort and luxury, the Fit is the answer for those who value energy and practicality. It's not a car to show off, but a car to trust, letting you turn the key every morning and hit the road without a second thought. In the used car world, that's the perfect definition of peace of mind. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. Three, Pontiac Vibe, 2003 to 2008. If you haven't heard much about the Pontiac Vibe, that's okay. It's exactly that low profile that makes it so appealing. While many people are busy chasing used Corollas or Civics, mechanics quietly choose the Vibe because they know a little secret. This car has the soul of a Toyota wrapped in American skin. The Pontiac Vibe was born from a collaboration between General Motors and Toyota. Simply put, it's a rebranded Toyota Matrix, meaning you're getting Toyota reliability at a price cheaper than a Corolla. Under the hood is the legendary 1.8L four-cylinder engine, the same as the Corollas, famous for running forever if you change the oil on time. Many Vibes have crossed 200,000 miles and still purr like they did on day one, needing only basic maintenance. Repair costs for the Vibe are surprisingly affordable, an average of just $400 per year. Parts are common and easy to find, and almost any garage can handle repairs since everything is compatible with Toyota components. That's why technicians often jokingly call the Vibe the Corolla in Pontiac clothing. But what makes the Vibe worth its price isn't just its durability, it's also incredibly versatile. The rear cargo area expands, and the flat folding seats create storage space comparable to a small SUV. Some models even come with a 110 views power outlet in the trunk, a small but incredibly useful feature for charging a laptop, inflating tires, or powering a camping light. And if you live in a snowy region, the optional AWD version offers impressive traction while still delivering 35 to 38 mpg on the highway. Of course, some 2003 models had minor odd noises from the transmission, but Toyota quickly fixed this. Later models are practically bulletproof. The exterior might look modest, but the stable, reliable driving feel is so trustworthy, you could hand the keys to your kid without worry. In the under $8,000 price range, the Pontiac Vibe is a choice that car-savvy folks often keep to themselves, because those in the know understand you're getting a true Toyota, just with a different badge. Sometimes smart car buying isn't about the brand, but about seeing the real value others overlook. 4. Lincoln MKZ, early 2010s. When it comes to used luxury cars, most people immediately think of massive repair bills, broken transmissions, glitchy electronics, or endless sensor issues. But with the Lincoln MKZ from the early 2010s, the story is completely different. This is one of the rare cars you can buy for under $8,000, enjoy genuine luxury, and still rest easy, knowing your maintenance budget won't vanish overnight. The MKZ is built on the same platform as the Ford Fusion, a sedan already known for its reliability and easy maintenance, but Lincoln elevates it into a luxurious, smooth, and more powerful version. Under the hood is a 3.5L V6 engine producing 263 horsepower, delivering silky acceleration and confident highway passing without strain. The 6-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and reliably, and if you opt for the AWD version, you get excellent grip in rain or snow. In terms of experience, the MKZ surprises many. Even after a decade, its cabin exudes a distinctly American, premium vibe. Thick leather seats, Heated and cooled options, a powerful sound system, and a well-insulated dashboard that practically isolates you from the outside world. The smooth, composed ride makes many owners describe it as the car you don't want to get out of when you arrive. For reliability, the MKZ scores big. The average maintenance cost is just around $500 per year, a shockingly low figure for a luxury sedan. The engine and transmission rarely have major issues, and parts are widely available since they're shared with Ford. Some owners report minor issues like power steering fluid leaks or slight shifting delays, but these are simple fixes with costs far lower than those of German luxury cars from the same era. In reality, the MKZ proves that luxury doesn't have to be expensive. For under $8,000, you're not just buying a beautiful car, but also a symbol of American comfort and durability. It's the ideal choice for those who want to commute, travel long distances, or go out in style, feeling pampered without worrying about high costs. And that's exactly why mechanics rate the MKZ highly. A luxurious, stable, easy-to-repair car that can keep going for years. A smart choice for those who understand the true value of reliability. 5. Toyota Camry, 2002 to 2006. If there's one car that mechanics almost never complain about, it's the Toyota Camry. This mid-size sedan has become an icon of reliability, so much so that in the automotive world, the saying, "If you want a brake, sell a Camry," is passed around as a half-joking truth. And the 2002 to 2006 models represent the golden era of the Camry, when Toyota reached the peak of mechanical dependability. This version uses the renowned 2.4L four-cylinder engine, designed with a timing chain instead of a timing belt, meaning you'll never have to spend hundreds of dollars on periodic replacements. Just change the oil and replace the filters, and the car will run as smoothly and reliably as a Swiss watch. Many owners swear their Camrys have crossed 200,000 to 300,000 miles without ever needing a major overhaul. The average maintenance cost is just around $380 per year, a figure so low it puts many smaller cars to shame. Even when minor issues arise, like a leaking valve cover gasket or a faulty oxygen sensor, repairs typically cost just a couple $100s. Everything is easy to access, parts are affordable and widely available, and nearly every garage has them in stock. But what makes the Camry special isn't just its durability, it's the surprisingly comfortable and balanced driving experience. The cabin is quiet, the seats are spacious and soft, and the well-tuned suspension makes the ride smooth even on rough roads. On the highway, the Camry glides effortlessly and steadily, while still achieving around 30 mpg, an impressive number for a mid-size sedan from the 2000s. The design may not be eye-catching, even a bit tame, but that simplicity is its strength. No complicated touchscreens, no fragile tech. Toyota got everything right from the start and built it to last decades without needing tweaks. The Camry is the kind of car where you just fill the tank, turn the key, and drive, year after year. That's why, even after more than 20 years, the 2002 to 2006 Camry remains a top recommendation for used sedans. It's not a car that makes you gasp every time you look at it. It's a car that makes you smile every time you start it, because you know it'll run just as well today as it did yesterday, and it will tomorrow too. A used Camry isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a symbol of peace of mind, something that, in the world of used cars, is sometimes more valuable than the flashy appeal of newer models. These 5 cars aren't just cheap machines under $8,000. They're symbols of smart used car buying. From the luxurious Toyota Avalon to the versatile Honda Fit, the practical Pontiac Vibe, the smooth Lincoln MKZ, and the dependable Camry, they all prove that reliable cars don't have to be expensive. Choose the right model, and you can drive hundreds of thousands of miles with confidence, savings, and the true satisfaction of a smart investment. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.